I publish a ton of content every day, at least 1 or 2 blog posts, and video to go along with that gets converted into social posts, and our website, YouTube, social media, they're all in different formats. YouTube, Instagram stories versus plain old square Instagram, YouTube in square format for ads, in 16:9 format, Facebook video, and then 720p or even 1080p sometimes is what we put on our website in the blog to stream video. One of the most valuable tools that I've come across in years is Canva for design, and I highly recommend this for anybody in real estate or sort of managing your own business marketing. I've used it in this demonstration now that I'm a professional YouTuber. We've moved off just the website and instructional videos, and now got lots of YouTube content, lots of social media content that's getting published on a daily basis. And we were, as design professionals, typically doing this all in Adobe products. So Adobe Creative Cloud, it runs $70-80 a month per user. Lots of software to install, heavy on your computers, memory, etc., rendering video. This Canva tool that I've started using in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use the Canva tool to develop thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Canva does an awful lot more than that. I might actually cover some more how-tos on it because I think it's a fantastic tool. But here, let's dive in. I'll show you what Canva's about and how to quickly make a YouTube thumbnail for your real estate videos. This is the dashboard of Canva, and you can see here some of my recent designs. So in order to put this quick YouTube cover picture, thumbnail as they call it, a YouTube thumbnail together, I am going to just make a copy of one of my other thumbnails. And I used to do a lot of this in Photoshop, but you've got to download the image from Adobe Stock, which is where I get all of my stock photographs from, then change the text over the top, and then save it off into different format. And you've got multiple files that you're working with. It just became, it's tedious compared to how easily I can do it here. So if I open up this blog, this YouTube video thumbnail that I've created in Canva, I'm going to use this picture that I used in the background of the blog, and this is probably, I can just copy that to clipboard. This is probably my favorite piece of this because I can easily match up what I have in the blog here and what's in Canva. So shut Photoshop down while we're doing this. Background right here, this is from my previous posts. I can simply click on that and remove it. I can add a new picture very easily by clicking on this more at the bottom, and I've gone over to my blog. I've copied the URL for my image that I use in the blog. We can simply drop, how do we do this again? That's right, I embed an image here. It was only the second time. I can just paste the web link in, hit add to design, bam, pulls it straight from my blog on my website, our website, moves over here to, and I just stretch it out to fit on the canvas. Okay, cool. Position, I'll send that to the back. I'll go back over to the blog here. I'm going to just take, oh, it was this one. probably thinking all wrong about SEO. Watch the post; it's a good one, a good video. Let's see here, using the ISA model. So then I just double click on this text here, just like that, and replace. Okay, down like this with the size. Okay, it's probably fine. Perfectionist or picky, not sure which one. Okay, so download. The standard formatting is fine, 1280 by 720, that's what you need for YouTube. Click on download, it'll save it off for me, and then I can simply go over to YouTube here. I have already uploaded my video. I can just click here on upload thumbnail, and here it is. Save the file. I didn't rename it. Drop that in here, and now I've got a cool thumbnail image that'll go with my YouTube video. It's just a lot faster than Photoshop, and if paying $50 a month for Creative Cloud, if all you're doing is creating YouTube thumbnails, which is what I used it for here, but it does actually a ton of other stuff that I'll probably cover in a few other videos. But they have design templates for just about anything that you can think of, from popping together a quick logo to resume templates to flyer templates, Instagram posts, social media post types for social media networks you'd never even heard of. It's pretty cool. So I have tried it. It was fairly inexpensive from what I remember, but to be honest, Creative Cloud is for what, $20 for a single app anyway. And this you can use on multiple computers. You're not downloading software. You don't have to learn it like you do Photoshop. There's tons of other stuff built into it. So I highly rate Canva. I think it's one of the best online editors that I've seen. It doesn't do email. It'd be great. We use a tool called Stripo, S-T-R-I-P-O. They were originally supposed to be called Stripe, but they found that after they started the company, there was another company called Stripe, and they do payment processing. Big company, fintech. So anyway, they ended up changing their name to Strip-O, which is a bit weird, I admit, but that's my best email editor for online, making HTML emails online. I think this Canva is my favorite editor for doing every other kind of design. It's really user-friendly and a cool, easy place just to manage your stuff as well. So that's my tip for the day, I guess, is use Canva for your